So you want to study abroad, but you're worried about the cost. Or maybe, scholarships exist. You've heard people say fully funded. But in your head, you're like, I don't even know where to start. You're Googling random things. Different people say different things. Deadlines, documents, tests, emails to professors. It all feels like a mess. In this video, I'm going to give you the whole roadmap in about 10 minutes. So you can stop guessing and just follow a clear plan. This video is for you if you want to study abroad on a scholarship, but right now the process feels like a giant question mark. Maybe you're a final year undergrad. Maybe you're already working and thinking about a master's or PhD. Maybe you don't even know if you qualify. Like, is your GPA good enough? Do you need research experience? Do you need perfect English scores? We're going to talk about all of that in this series. So don't count yourself out yet. If you're willing to do the work step by step, this channel is for you. If that's you, you're in the right place. Real quick, here's what will make this easier to follow. Number 1, something to take notes with. A notebook, your phone, Google Docs, anything. Number 2, a rough idea of when you want to start your program. For example, fall 2027 or September next year. Number 3, if you've already downloaded the free scholarship starter pack, keep it open in another tab. If not, don't stress. I'll show you how it fits into this roadmap, and you can grab it after this video. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need a few focused minutes. Okay, here's how we're going to do this. I'm breaking your scholarship journey into 4 simple steps. Step 1, understand the 3 phases. Step 2, know your timeline. Step 3, use the starter pack and master tracker. Step 4, follow the 90-day plan on this channel. Let's go through them one by one. Step 1, the 3 phases. Every scholarship journey has 3 phases. Phase 1 is prep. This is where you sort your basics: passport, transcripts, English test, recommendation letters, and so on. Phase 2 is shortlist. Here you choose countries, universities, and for research programs, professors, you learn how funding works in each country and make a realistic target list instead of chasing random names. Phase 3 is application. This is where you write and submit things. Your CV, statement of purpose, personal statement, research proposal, emails to professors, and the online forms. Most people try to jump straight to the application phase. They open the portal, stare at the questions, and then panic because nothing is ready. On this channel, we go in order: prep, shortlist, application. If you remember nothing else from today, remember these 3 phases. Step 2, your timeline without scaring you. Next, let's talk about time. This is where people either win or lose. Most big scholarships and funded programs start once a year. Applications usually open around 6 to 12 months before the start date. Now, in a perfect world, you start getting ready about 12 to 18 months before your program starts. That doesn't mean you wait 18 months before you apply. It just means you spread the work so you are not rushing everything in 2 weeks. But real life is messy. Sometimes you discover a scholarship late. Sometimes the deadline is only a few months away. That's why this channel is built as a focused 90-day plan. If you follow one video and one small action a day, You can get yourself from confused to application ready in about 3 months. If your deadlines are sooner, you'll still be moving in the right order and getting as much done as possible. If your deadlines are further away, you just be extra prepared. Inside the Master Scholarship Tracker in the Starter Pack, there's a tab called 18-month timeline. You put your target start date in, and it helps you think backwards from there. Even if you don't have it yet, the idea is simple. Know roughly when you want to start and give yourself as many months as you can to prepare. And if you're watching this and you're already late, don't beat yourself up. Just treat today as day 1 of your 90-day sprint. Step 3, the free starter pack and master tracker. Now let's talk about tools. Because information is nice, but tools are what help you take action. The free scholarship starter pack is designed to sit next to this channel. Videos show you how. The pack gives you the templates to actually do it. Inside, you get a master scholarship tracker in Google Sheets with tabs for your checklist, your 18-month view, your documents, university shortlist, professor fit, cold emails, and application status. You also get templates, a scholarship CV template, an SOP outline with a simple 3-part structure, cold email templates, and a full letter of recommendation request package for your referees, plus quick cheat sheets for funding types, test requirements, document processing times, and common red flags so you can avoid scams. The link to the starter pack is in the description. When you grab it, do 2 things. Number 1, make a copy of the master tracker into your own Google Drive. Number 2, write your target start date and your top 3 target countries. That alone will make everything feel more organized and real. Step 4, how this series works. This is a 90-day series, 90 videos, 1 clear step each day. We start with foundations. What fully funded actually means. Your overall timeline, documents and tests. Then we go into countries and universities, how funding works in places like the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and Europe. Then we move into professor search and cold emails, how to find labs, read papers, and write emails that actually get replies. Finally, we build your CV, SOP, and proposals, and push all the way to submission and interviews. You don't have to do everything in a weekend. The idea is simple: 1 video, 1 action every day. If you follow this for 90 days and actually do the small tasks, you'll be in a position to start submitting strong applications instead of just watching other people's success stories. Okay, quick reality check. Here are 3 common mistakes I see all the time. Mistake number 1, starting with the application, not the prep. People open the portal, start filling forms, then realize they don't have transcripts, tests, or recommendation letters ready. The fix: start with prep. Documents and tests first, applications later. Mistake number 2, trying to do everything at once with no structure, researching countries, writing SOPs, emailing professors, and studying for tests all at the same time. The fix: follow a sequence, use the master tracker and this 90-day series so you always know your next small step. Mistake number 3, relying only on random advice and screenshots. You see a TikTok or a tweet and you build your whole plan on that. The fix: use official sources and structured tools. That's why the starter pack includes links to official scholarship pages and not just my opinions. If you avoid just these 3 mistakes, you're already ahead of most people. Alright, let's wrap this up. Quick recap. First, every scholarship journey has 3 phases: prep, shortlist, application. Second, your timing doesn't have to be perfect. Ideally, you plan in months, not days. But this 90-day series is here to help you catch up and move in order. Third, you don't have to figure this out alone. Use the free scholarship starter pack as your toolkit and this channel as your step-by-step roadmap. Your next steps are simple. Step 1. Download the starter pack from the link in the description. Make a copy of the master tracker in your Google Drive and write your target start date. Step 2. Watch day 2 next. It's called What Fully Funded Actually Means. You need that video so you don't waste time on the wrong scholarships. Step 3. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you can follow this full 90-day journey with me and not miss any key step. Before you go, tell me in the comments, what country are you hoping to study in? I do read the comments and they help me decide what to cover in future videos. If this helped you, share it with one friend who is also interested in scholarships. Let's make this easier for all of us. See you in day 2. Take care.